back.
This time, I'm even more prepared.
Oh, really?
And I have the entire US government by my side.
Impressive, but your government is nothing compared to my transformer.
Clever, but I'm also a transformer, a transgender
I
female.
expected that, and I already signed our marriage contract.
Predictable. I already adopted a baby for us.
Joke's on you, because that baby is actually a bomb, and I can detonate it with this remote.
Well, too bad, because I took the batteries to your remote.
What?
And this baby is also a remote to launch an intercontinental ballistic missile to your exact position. Can't run now, huh?
I have one trick up my sleeve.
What?
English or Spanish? Whoever moves first is gay.
Maybe you got something in your nose. Sniffing that K, did you feel the hole? Hope you find peace for yourself.